Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to pass AP Psychology. First, familiarize yourself with the exam structure, including the number of multiple-choice questions and free response questions. Next, dedicate time to understanding the specific types of questions asked, such as definition-based or application-based prompts. This foundational knowledge is crucial for developing an effective study plan and approaching the exam with confidence. To truly master the content, concentrate on the 9 main units outlined in the course curriculum. Develop a robust system for learning and retaining key vocabulary. Creating flashcards for over 700 essential terms can be incredibly effective. Furthermore, actively connect psychological concepts to real-world examples and personal experiences to deepen your understanding and improve recall during the exam. When tackling the free response section, strategically allocate approximately 25 minutes for each question to ensure you have enough time for a thorough response. Practice breaking down complex prompts into smaller, manageable parts, addressing each component directly. Additionally, review common pitfalls, such as failing to define terms or providing insufficient examples, and learn how to avoid these errors to maximize your score. For your final preparation, take at least 2 full-length practice exams under timed conditions to simulate the actual test environment and identify areas needing improvement. Consider collaborating with peers for study sessions. Explaining concepts to others can solidify your own understanding. And for those looking for a great way to study or just enjoy reading, check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other deals. This comprehensive approach will set you up for success.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.